Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can pay the CRA using RBC Online Banking. In order to do so, here we are at rbcroyalbank.com. And to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any given time, and you get access to the top AI chat models available. According to Cider, paying the Canada Revenue Agency via RBC Online Banking is a straightforward process. Here's a quick guide. First off, you're going to want to log into RBC Online Banking. You're going to want to select Pay and Transfer from the main menu and choose the option to make a payment or transfer. Select Pay Bills, then choose or add the CRA as a bill payee. Add the CRA as a payee if it's not already added. Click Register a Payee or Add Payee. Search for Canada Revenue Agency or CRA. Enter required details like your account number, your social insurance number, or specific CRA account number. Select CRA from the payee list. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Confirm the payee details and amount. Double check everything, then submit the payment. Save or print the confirmation for your records. Note that payments may take 1 to 3 business days to process. Be sure to pay well before any CRA deadlines. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.